welcome to this video. If you're just coming across this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you will be the first to know and never get to miss when I publish any video that teaches you Hausa language, Hausa culture, and something about Hausa people. Today, we will learn 6 important greetings you need to know in Hausa. So, let's dive in. Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Amina. I am your Malama, your Hausa teacher. In this video, we will learn 6 important greetings you need to know in Hausa. 1. Sannu. 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 Now, what is the meaning of Sannu? Sannu can be used to say different things at different times, but it's a common word. It is a common word used to say hello or hi in Hausa. So, if you would like to say hello or hi to someone in Hausa, you can say Sannu. 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 And if somebody says Sannu to you, please note that the response is Yawa Sannu. You would say Yawa and then you would say Sannu. Yawa Sannu. Now, sometimes you would like to personalize the greeting based on the person greeting you back. Like you want to say hello to you too. Hello to you too. You would say Sannun kadai if you're addressing a male. Sannun kadai. If you're addressing a female, you would say Sannunki dai. Sannunki dai. And if you're addressing more than one person, you would say Sannunku dai. Sannunku dai. 2. Ina kwana. Ina kwana. Ina kwana. Now, ina kwana is a greeting you use to say good morning to someone in Hausa in the AM. Now, let me break this down to you. The time of the day in English, we know it is divided into 2. We have the part of the day we address as the AM, and then we have the part of the day we call the PM. Now, in those moments of the AM time, you would tell somebody ina kwana, ina kwana, ina kwana. In the PM, you would tell somebody ina wuni or ina yini. Ina wuni or ina yini. So this is it. In the AM, you would say ina kwana. In the PM, you would say ina wuni or ina yini, which means good morning, ina kwana. Ina wuni or ina yini means good afternoon, evening, night, and whatever, in the PM. Now, how do you respond to ina kwana or ina yini? You respond to it in the same way. You respond to it in the same way. And the response to ina kwana or ina wini or ina yini is lafiya. 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 Now you can go over the board by saying lafiya kalau, lafiya kalau, lafiya kalau, or lafiya lau. Lafiya lau. So basically, you have 3 ways you can respond to ina kwana or ina yini. You can say lafiya, lafiya kalau, or lafiya lau. Now, the third important greetings you need to know is welcome. How do you tell somebody welcome in Hausa? Welcome in Hausa can be said in 3 ways. It's either you say barka da zuwa. Barka da zuwa. Barka da zuwa. 2. Sannu da zuwa. Sannu da zuwa. Sannu da zuwa. 3. Marhaba. 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 Now, these 3 phrases you can use to say welcome. Now, how do you respond to somebody saying welcome to you? Now, for each of these phrases, there's a particular way you can respond to each of them. However, you can say yawa to respond to the 3. Yawa in Hausa is a way of acknowledging that you heard somebody. So when somebody says barka da zuwa, you can say yawa. It means you are acknowledging that you heard the person. If somebody says sannu da zuwa, you can say yawa. If somebody says marhaba, you can say yawa. But if you want to respond to the phrase individually, if somebody says sannu da zuwa, you can say yawa sannu. If somebody says barka da zuwa, you can say yawa barka dai. If somebody says marhaba, you can also say yawa. Now, fourth greeting. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is how to say goodbye or see you later. Now, goodbye in Hausa is sai anjuma. Sai anjuma. Sai anjuma. Sometimes some people say, just like dialect, you could hear somebody says sai anjima. Sai anjima. Say anjima. So whether you hear say anjuma or say anjima, please note that it is the same. And it means see you later, goodbye, bye-bye. Anyone you want to translate it to in English, it means say anjima. Now, how do you respond to someone that says say anjima to you? You can say yawa and repeat the phrase. So you'd say yawa, say anjima. Yawa, say anjima. Yawa, say anjima. Now, the fifth greetings you need to know is good night. How do you say good night in Hausa? Good night is sai da safe. Sai da safe, which literally translates to until morning. Until morning. Sai da safe. Sai da safe. Now, how would you respond to sai da safe? You can say yawa and then repeat the phrase. Yawa sai da safe. Yawa sai da safe. Yawa sai da safe. Then, as the sixth greetings you need to know, which is the final one I'm talking about in this video, is barka da warhaka. Barka da warhaka. Now, barka da warhaka is a phrase you can use to greet somebody at any moment. Any moment of the day. It can be in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, any time of the day. You would say barka da warhaka. Now, what does barka da warhaka literally means? It's saying like, welcome to this moment. Welcome to this moment. So if you don't want to particularly mention the exact time of the day, or for instance, right now I'm making this video, I don't know what time you're watching the video, it can be in the morning, afternoon, and night, then it is essential I can greet with barka da warhaka. Barka da warhaka. And what is the response to barka da warhaka? It is yawa barka dai. Yawa barka dai. Yawa barka dai. Now, did you learn something in this video? Out of all these phrases, out of all these greetings we learned in this video, please type in the comment which one are you familiar with? Which one did you just learn? And which one you would use first? Also, let me know the country you're watching this from. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed and turn on notification so you don't get to miss any video I publish. Until next time, barka da warhaka.